Hi folks, Clay Estrada here with Cedarstone Industry, a premier manufacturer of sanitary process equipment. Today we'll be walking you through the SureDry 40 gas-operated food-grade botanical dryer. This system can process 1,000 pounds per hour of moist biomass or food product. It's constructed out of 304 stainless steel, including the mesh belt and the air conduit. This unit is food-grade, GMP compliant, and can be used at any sanitary manufacturing facility. The SureDry 40 comes with American motors, and the controls are made at our UL listed shop in Houston, Texas.
One design feature you will immediately notice is that this unit utilizes an optional recirculating air system. This system increases efficiency by recirculating 75% of the hot air mixture. There are a total of 4 levels of continuous and interconnected drying conveyors, all made with 304 stainless steel material. The logic temperature control burner, together with the variable speed airflow, will guarantee a precise drying temperature required by the operator. No potency loss or decarboxylation will happen during the drying process.